subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has officially launched its U series smartphone in China called Vivo U3. The Vivo U3 comes with a water drop notch style display which is surrounded by thin bezels and has small chin at the bottom. The rear panel of the phone appears to be gradient finish that carries triple camera setup which is aligned vertically at the top left corner including LED flash. The smartphone also features an rear mounted fingerprint sensor at the top center. The volume rockers along with the power button are placed on the right edge, while the ejectable SIM card slot is present on the left side. The bottom of the phone houses an speaker grill, 3.5mm audio jack, microphone, and a micro USB charging port. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo U3 supports a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio and 90.3% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 chipset paired with Adreno 612 GPU. And the phone is also said to have multi-turbo feature that helps to boost the phone performance. The smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of inbuilt storage that can also be expandable up to 256 GB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Vivo U3 comes equipped by triple camera setup on the rear which features 16 megapixel primary camera with f1.78 aperture plus 8 megapixel secondary camera with wide angle lens and f2.2 aperture plus 2 megapixel third camera for depth sensing with f2.4 aperture. On the front, there is an 16 megapixel camera with f2.0 aperture for selfies and video calling. The phone also supports face unlock system by using this selfie camera. The images shown here were officially taken by the company using Vivo U3 smartphone. On the software front, the Vivo U3 runs on Android 9 Pie based on the top of FunTouch OS 9. The smartphone is backed by a large 5000 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging support. Now, talking about the pricing and availability, the Vivo U3 has been priced in China for 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage variant at 999 Chinese yuan, which roughly translates to 10,000 Indian rupees or $140, and the higher variant with 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage variant is priced at 1,199 Chinese yuan, which roughly translates to 12,000 Indian rupees or $170. The smartphone is now available for pre-orders in China and will go on sale starting from October 31st in Spark Blue, Agate Black and Onion Blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo U3 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.